Model ident problem fix harness resistor.
What specific tool or machine does this involve?
Generac generator 11.
How long has this been going on with your Generac generator? What have you tried so far?
Replace battery.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, welcome to Just Answer. My name is I would like to assist you with this. What are the model number and serial number of the genset?
Replace the battery in general 11 kW. Panel reads model ident problem fix harness resistor. What do I do? Generac 11 kW. Generac ### serial #####.
Thanks. It is extremely rare for an ID resistor to actually go bad, so the first thing we need to do is to reset the controller. Set the switch to off. Remove the fuse from the controller. Remove the negative battery cable. Remove the cover from around the controller. Remove the controller, and turn it over. Unplug all connectors from the controller. The ID resistor is a small black plastic wrap device, about the size of a matchbook, plugged into the harness just below the controller. Unplug the ID resistor. Plug the ID resistor back in. Plug the 14-pin harness back into the controller. Plug the 20-pin plug back into the controller. Then plug in the rest of the plugs in any order. Reinstall the controller. Reconnect the negative battery cable. At this point you will need to reprogram the date and time in the controller. Once you're done, the unit should be operational again. If it is not, let me know.
Customer attachment December 6, 2023 27:30 p.m.
Yes, that is the ID resistor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.